In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable support access in Zoho Bookings. This is a straightforward but essential process that can make a big difference when you need assistance from the Zoho support team. Let's dive right in and get started, ensuring that you're all set up for success with this powerful booking platform. So, first things first, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho Bookings dashboard. It's your central hub where you manage all your appointments and bookings. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, I recommend doing so to save yourself a little time in the future. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. You'll see various options, including your scheduled appointments, client details, and more. Now direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. You'll find the Help button tucked away there, subtly but reliably present. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to connecting with Zoho's support network, ensuring you have the help you need when you need it. Upon clicking, you'll see that Zoho offers a couple of convenient methods to enable support access. It's all about making the process as smooth as possible for you. The first method is through live chat. This option is perfect for those who prefer real-time interaction. It's a quick and direct way to get the answers you need. You can simply type out your issue or question, and one of Zoho's helpful support reps will assist you promptly. For many users, this is the go-to option for its immediacy and personal touch. Alternatively, if you need a bit more flexibility or prefer a different approach, there's the option to email support. This is a great choice if you have a detailed query or need to attach screenshots or videos. Speaking of visuals, Zoho also allows you to screen record and share that with the support team. This can be immensely helpful in providing context and ensuring the support team fully understands any challenges you might be facing. Remember, enabling support access is a proactive step that ensures you're never alone in navigating the platform. Whether you opt for live chat or the email and screen recording route, Zoho's team is there to assist, clarify, and guide you through any hiccups. It's all about making sure you have a seamless experience with Zoho Bookings. That's it. You've now learned how to efficiently enable support access in Zoho Bookings. By utilizing these tools, you can optimize your use of the platform and ensure that you're getting the most out of its features. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough useful. Keep exploring and make the most of what Zoho has to offer.